A warm good morning, dear students. Welcome to Geography period, where we are going to have recap of our chapter 2 physical features of India. In our previous period, we completed the last physical feature, that is the islands of India, which are divided into two groups. One is Lakshadweep group of island, another one is Andaman and Nicobar group of island. So Lakshadweep group of island consists of 36 islands, and Andaman and Nicobar consist of 572 islands. Andaman and Nicobar lies in Bay of Bengal, while the Lakshadweep lies in Arabian Sea. Andaman and Nicobar island group is made up of volcanic deposits, and the Lakshadweep island group are made up of coral deposits. And then today we are going to have a little bit of summary regarding the chapter, what we have learned, the key points of the chapter. So in this chapter we have come to know about some theories which are related to the formation of various physical features on the earth. So first theory we have discussed about is the continental drift. So continental drift theory was given by Alfred Wegener. According to him, millions of years ago, 200 million years ago, all the continents which are of today were consisted in one place called supercontinent, which was named as Pangaea. Then Pangaea broke down into two divisions first, that is Laurasia and Gondwana land, and India was a part of Gondwana land, and then these two divisions again subdivided, and that come into result as the present continents. Then another theory was there, which was plate tectonic, according to what the earth crust is composed of some major and some minor plates, and these plates do move continuously over from geological period, but their movement is very slow, okay, but still they do move, and continents are part of this crustal plates, or we can say the a lithospheric plate, or these particular plates, the continents are the part of it. So that's why continents also do move. Now the India, if we take the example of India initially at the very beginning, millions of years ago, India was completely in the southern hemisphere because it was the part of the Gondwana land. But with time, due to the movement of the plate, the Indian plate that moved towards the north, and now India lies in the northern hemisphere. Okay, so that's what we discussed. Then we have discussed about the physical features of India, major physical features of India. There are 6 we discussed. Number 1 was Himalaya. So Himalayas are at the north, it is bordering the northern part of the country, and Himalayas have divisions based on two things. One was the parallel divisions, or which includes the, or longitudinal divisions, which includes the Himadri in the, or Greater Himalaya or Himadri in the very north. Then and in the center we have the Himachal, or then in the last one, or the outer part or outer Himalaya, which is known as Shivalik. So those are the parallel ranges of Himalayas. Okay, then another division was the latitudinal division, which was done on the basis of the river valleys, demarcated by river valleys. Number 1 was the Punjab Himalaya, then Kumaon Himalaya, then we have got Nepal Himalaya, and the last one was Assam Himalaya. Then we have got the next division or physical feature, that is the northern plains. So northern plains are basically before northern plain, if we want to know about the second one, Peninsular Plateau, also we can know about. So Peninsular Plateau, which is the oldest landmass, and it has 2 subdivisions. One is the Deccan Plateau, another one is the Central Highland. And then in between these two, that is Himalaya, that's why I brought the second one as Peninsular Plateau, because in between Peninsular Plateau and Himalayas, the first division, lies the northern plain. So northern plain is mainly, it is formed by, or it is the result of the interplay of 3 main rivers, that is the Indus, then Ganga and Brahmaputra. It's a broad plain which is composed of alluvial deposits, and this particular plain is also divided into two bases. It is divided. First basis is on the basis of major rivers. So the first division, which is formed by the major river, that is Indus river. So this plain is known as Punjab plain because it is formed by the river Indus and its tributaries. Second one is Ganga plain. It is formed by Ganga along with its tributaries. And third one is the Brahmaputra plain in Assam, which is formed by Brahmaputra along with its tributaries. Then another division of the northern plain was based on the variation in relief. So it has Bhabar, Terai. Number 3 is Bhangar and Khadar. Bhabar is the zone which is formed at the break of the slope, consisting of coarser materials. And next lies the Terai. Terai is quite a finer particles, and it is a marshy kind of land due to re-emergence of the rivers which get disappeared in the Bhabar zone. Then third zone is the Bhangar. Bhangar is the older alluvium which is found in the upper reaches of the river valleys. The next one is the last one is the Khadar, which is the newly formed alluvium and deposits, and it is renewed every year during the flood, and it is most fertile. And then these are found very next to the river valleys, I mean the rivers. Okay, then fourth one is the Indian desert. Indian desert, it is the dry land which lies in the northwest of the Aravalli hills, and it is a dry area, less vegetative cover, and it is characterized by formation of sand dunes and bergschans, and these areas are also has mushroom rocks present over the places of Indian desert. Then we got 4 till now. Number 1 Himalayas, number 2 Peninsula Plateau, number 3 the northern plain, number 4 we got is the Indian desert. Now fifth one is the coastal plains. So coastal plains of India has 2 divisions: Eastern coastal plain and Western coastal plain. Eastern coastal plains are wider than that of the Western coastal plains, and Eastern coastal plains lie between Bay of Bengal and Eastern Ghat, while Western coastal plain lies between the Western Ghat and Arabian Sea. Okay, Western coastal plain have 4 divisions. That includes what? Gujarat plain, then Konkan plain, then it includes Kannar plain and Malabar plain. And or you can say coast also: Gujarat coast, then Konkan coast, then Kannar coast, or the last one is Malabar coast. And Eastern coastal plain have 2 major divisions. It includes Northern Sirkar and the Coromandel coast. Then we have got the last physical feature of India, that is the islands, so which we already have discussed while before starting this recap of the chapter. That includes 2 groups. One is the Andaman and Nicobar, another one is the Bay of Bengal, Lakshadweep group of island. Andaman Nicobar Island group consists of 572 islands, small islands. That's why it is said as group. And Lakshadweep includes of 36. Andaman Nicobar are composed of a volcanic origin, and Lakshadweeps are composed of coral deposits. Andaman Nicobar are in Bay of Bengal, and these are Lakshadweeps are in Arabian Sea. So this is all about the chapter. I hope you all have noted down all the points till date, and you can have recap of the chapter by your own, also reading the points. And if there is any query, any doubt, you can call me. Okay, so I'll be sending you the question answer soon, and then we will have a map work of chapter 1 and 2 in our next period. Okay, so please be ready with your map in the next geography period in the coming week. Okay, so thank you so much, students. Please note down all the points whatever is done till now. Okay, thank you.